sucks and Montebello. Some people went backhanded to eliminate on the first episode and we didn't know what happened. But now it's a different episode. Gas is the first one safe, and then it's on these two safe to make water eliminated. Now this sound is gonna be one down. But first, the 7 up for elimination wins. Go! I guess we have to do a replay for that one. That means that we have to do it again. Bone Taker's up for elimination. Now, Roger Dodger and Bone. We need to do that again. Oh, Bone Taker fell down. Ooh, Bone Taker safe. Well, Roger do not go. So, Red Cancer is up for elimination. And ew, that was a mighty hit, but they both ran onto the wheels. So now, then, it's time to go. We have 3 pets, only 4 more people to be up for elimination. Now, these are 10 Bone Shaker. These are 10 is up for elimination. We need 3 more characters to be up. But who will it be? Oh, Purple is up for elimination. We need 2 more competitors to see who can move on. Well, he's on his head. So that means Yellow Cat is up. And there's 6 more characters. 1 more character to be up. Who's ever gonna win? Then on that is but what will end up again? We'll take it safe. So that means, yeah, Yellow Cat, Purple, Red Cat. What's the dots? A Bone Taker, Diesel 10, and Gas. Up for elimination. Stop it, Dad.